everyone. Today I have harvested some spinach or bayam as we call it from my vegetable garden. This is a very nutritious vegetable and I'm going to show a very simple way to cook this vegetable to retain the maximum food value. We need only very simple ingredients and the dish takes only about 10 minutes to cook. First, we will carefully clean the vegetables. Remove any parts that have been eaten by pests. Cut the vegetables and rinse them in clean water 2 to 3 times. Next, pour about 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. Add some sliced onions. Then add chopped garlic and a little mustard seeds. Stir for about 30 seconds. Then add the rinsed spinach. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Now we can add a little water and cover the pan. Cook for another 2 minutes and the stir-fried spinach is ready. This easy stir-fry is very nutritious and it's a great side dish to a rice meal. Try this dish and see how tasty this 10-minute meal turns out to be. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.